Okay, I'm going to use this piece of magic eraser and I'm going to try and take this acrylic paint off of my table. This is my work surface where I've been doing a bunch of painting. I am just going to dip my magic eraser into some water so you can kind of see how it's wet. Get some water on here and look at that. This is no chemicals, just a magic eraser, and it's cleaning my desk. Real time, no cuts. Let's see. Oh wow. Yeah, you know, sometimes the simple things can be used and you don't have to do a whole bunch of nasty chemicals, things that are going to possibly interact, cause allergies, any of those things. Look at this. Now I'm going to grab my, and let's see how far we are. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I've got a little bit more right here. And yeah, my sponge is really full of gross water. Ugh. But this is in my studio and I don't have a sink, so I'm just using the towel to sort of wring my dirty sponge out in. Wow. And just like that, my table is clean enough to do another video. Hope you enjoyed that quick little tip. Acrylic paint will come off of varnished surfaces with a magic eraser. Now go and do something creative. Take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you. I want to see you back here again really soon.